Hi, I'm Roosevelt, and thank you for joining me in taking a detailed walk around and POV test drive of this 2023 Kia Telluride SX Prestige X-Line V6 all-wheel drive SUV. Say that with a mouthful of marbles. A luxury SUV that combines style, performance, and comfort. With its sleek and modern design, the Telluride SX Prestige X-Line is sure to turn heads. One of the standout features of the Telluride SX Prestige X-Line is the dual sunroofs, which offer a great view for passengers. The exterior is finished in a sleek wolf gray color, and it sits on a set of stylish 20-inch alloy wheels. The exterior is completed with LED headlights, tail lights, and fog lights, giving it a premium look. The spare tire is located under the floor of the trunk, which keeps it out of the way and adds extra storage space. When it comes to storage, the Telluride SX Prestige X-Line offers plenty of space. Behind the third row, you will find 21 cubic feet of storage space, and with the third row fold down, you'll have a maximum of 87 cubic feet of storage space. The Telluride SX Prestige X-Line comes with P235 55R18 tires, which provide great traction and handling on the road. The rear window shades provide extra privacy and UV protection for the passengers. Step inside and you'll be greeted with a luxurious and well-appointed cabin. The dual sunroofs, premium Harman Kardon sound system, and Napa leather seat trim are just a few of the standout features. The driver and front passenger seats are heated and ventilated, and the driver's seat also has memory settings, so you can easily return to your preferred position. The second row captain's chairs are also heated and ventilated, making them comfortable for all passengers. The rear seat passengers also have access to their own USB charging ports and a 110-volt outlet. The smart power lift gate and safe exit assist, which keeps doors from opening if a vehicle is detected, are also convenient features. The Telluride SX Prestige X-Line also comes with a surround view monitor, blind spot view monitor, and a head-up display, which gives you a selection of useful information. The digital key, wireless phone charger, and rear occupant alert with ultrasonic sensors are also added safety features. The Telluride SX Prestige X-Line also has a self-leveling rear suspension which provides a very comfortable ride quality. The fuel efficiency of 18 miles per gallon city, 24 miles per gallon highway, and 21 miles per gallon combined is adequate for a vehicle of this size. The Telluride SX Prestige X-Line also comes with a variety of advanced safety systems such as forward collision avoidance, blind spot collision warning, and rear cross traffic collision avoidance assist to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. The smart cruise control with stop and go, parking distance warning, and parking collision avoidance assist are also great features to have. Under the hood, you'll find a 3.8 liter direct injection V6 engine that delivers 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque, and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for a smooth and responsive ride. You've just experienced the luxury, performance, and safety of the 2023 Kia Telluride SX Prestige X-Line V6 all-wheel drive SUV. With an MSRP of $54,120 for this model, it offers a great value for a luxury SUV. Enjoy the rest of the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.